If I want thing me ever hate killer, me not believe in a friend killer. Family, eh? I me say family. Me love me farmer them to me heart. Me love, yeah, man, people, you a big thing are coming at. You know me can't understand why I go out that place right now. Well, we don't understand this crime thing. This crime thing I get out of the no, you know. This might be your little rumbling again, Paul, by like a place, you know, me could talk about it on the normal live. See, I mean, I'm Skelly, aka Bones, on the normal live. So this morning, me there, I know I cook up some little porridge in the morning. Low and but when me a rumbling on top of my place, you know. But through me just down in the porridge and me I make up some amini and me I sort out some callaloo and some little item thing, you know, come on have to eat healthy, come and learn them lesson the hard way, you understand? The hard way. So we go know boom and deal with the food and knock off the food and everything. So open up my little place now and start sort it out and say me I gonna make a little one move and go check on the outside. The next check the man them the guard with the gravestone. The man them guard with the gravestone. The stone will mark up with the name, everything, date of birth, date, name, family member, loving this, loving that, all the little description will come from the whole works. All my people are gonna find my place, you know. Eh? So me have to pick up all the phone and say, boy, I go call two family members, me I say, no, cause that a breach protocol, cause you know, anytime you pass out everything, though, that little protocol thing, the way you can't deal with the people them direct, so me can't cell phone call nobody, right? Me can't go just turn up in the one taxi and say, yo, them thief the headphone, the tombstone, and something, them thief the headstone, me can't do that, so guess what me have to do? Me have to work out a thing now and check the big boss and the big boss say, yeah man, me can't run a one dream or two for them. So at that me have to go do, I have to go plan up a dream, you know, and make them know. But the crime thing I got out of a thief heads toward people. I saw things bad. Eh? I saw things bad that laugh just pass through and move some headstone. Me hear other thief meter. Me hear another thief manual cover. Me hear another thief hubcap and things off of people car. Other thief and cable and wireless another thief cable. Other bodo digital cable. Other just a thief left, right and center. Other can't thief some of the crime. Eh? Other can't do that. Well, here, you see, me and my crew, we have a neighborhood watch a go on. So you see, all around we're brave enough to feel like, say, you can't pass through another time and come thief that from both, yeah? You come deal with it, yeah? Yeah, deal with it. And that me I tell you. Just come through since you're brave and afraid and nothing and have a big gunpowder. You come through, come take something. And watch and see what we have planned in store for you. Because if we neighborhood watch no ordinary, because so what we do. Charge, you don't know. Anyway, peace everybody. Family, yeah. I mean say family. Chop up, am I artist, am I artist.